Thank you for enrolling in BGE's PeakRewards Smart Thermostat program. You'll enjoy the summer bill credits and help maintain the reliability of the electric delivery system with your new thermostat. To prepare for the installation, you need to have 3 things ready at the time of your appointment. First, the account holder or someone 18 or older who is authorized by the account holder to make account changes must be home. Second, you must have a secure working home Wi-Fi network. A hotspot does not qualify. And lastly, you need to have your Wi-Fi network's name and password ready for the installing technician. The technician will then install your new ecobee 3 Lite thermostat, connect it to your network, and even help you register for an ecobee online account. Once you register, you'll be able to control your thermostat from anywhere using the ecobee app. It's that simple. And then you'll be all set to enjoy the year-long energy savings, your summer bill credits, easy control at your fingertips, and more. If you have any further questions about the installation, the PeakRewards customer hotline is here to help.